Dock looks a little low there, buddy. It says 11 foot.
What's your box?
12-1.
Yeah, that's the problem.
What up? What up? Today we got a lot of interesting moves happening today. I'm with a awesome customer, awesome friend. He's come a long way in 6 years. I met this guy 6 years ago. He found me out of the blue during the height of COVID, and he showed up, close talking all over my shop. Pretty much. So I'm with Francisco de Cristo, Franny from Hollis Vending. Today, we got a lot of stuff going on in the city. We're going to be in the United Nations today, right?
We're going to be in the United Nations.
All right, so we're moving around the 5 boroughs, and the height of today's moves is we're switching Franny from those ha-ha machines. We got him slipping into a nice new crispy Vendera VD5S. So that's going to be exciting. We're going to take you guys through the city and see how we make out.
We're excited. We're going to do it.
Let's do it, bro. 6 in the morning, heading into the city. Got a long day ahead of us. Hopefully we don't run into anything too crazy. That's where that other NBA team plays. Knicks are in the finals, baby. Yeah, you watch the Knicks tomorrow night?
Oh, it's crazy, right?
Go New York, go New York, go.
Game 1, right?
Game 1.
Could you imagine?
Knicks
pull it off, bro?
Bro, if the Knicks pull it off,
1978.
This city is gonna turn upside down.
Upside down.
Upside down.
You're going to back into that.
That's our dock?
Yeah. I think he might have pulled out, too.
Dock looks a little low there, buddy.
Right there. That one.
No,
you're good. Not this one. That one, you're good.
11 foot, bro. Too low.
No, we're good, bro.
Dude, 11 foot.
Oh, you can't do that?
No.
What are you?
Look at this fucking garbage all over the place. How am I gonna get in that dock anyway?
Yeah.
Get no customer support now.
Good? Yeah, you're good. Why is it not going all the way down?
What kind of paint do you use on the monetary panel? You use automotive paint or just standard crayon?
Yeah, automotive. I'll show you.
Need
Back it up. Got me?
That's working, that's it working. You know.
Go! Bring it, bring it! Ooh, we get to feel the burn, baby. Hold on, Franny.
Yep.
Can I squeeze through? Thank you, guys.
All right. Good. Thank you. I'm with my brother. Yes.
Good right here?
Yeah.
Work hard for the money. Ooh, Franny, that Vendera looks so sexy. Let's go, baby. We gotta wait.
Yeah.
We got 2 elevators?
1.
Ooh!
Hopefully we're in and fucking out.
VD5, baby.
This is the newest?
Yeah, this is their core model.
And one with the
They got
LCD.
the LCD's coming.
That's single.
LCD's coming, freezer's coming, and double doors coming.
Oh shoot! That was fast. How are you?
Come on, Franny. What are we doing?
Yep, got it.
We're gonna bring 2 machines down as well.
All right, we might have it. I got you, bro. I'm the smart guy. Nowhere to go. Nowhere to go. Yeah. A little tight. A little tight. And now we can take care of. Coming through. Awesome, thank you. You want it centered in this hole right here?
Let's see if we can, because it can butt out a little bit. Can we butt it out and put it up against this wall?
Yeah, absolutely.
That box and then
100%.
And then leave that side.
Absolutely.
Drop it. You okay to drop it on this floor?
Yeah, just put it down easy. You're good.
Looks good, right?
Yeah, looks good. I'll send them a pic. Save me a trip back to Queens.
Yeah. So to cap off the day, we did a couple of moves today, DC and I. We had quite a busy itinerary. I know it's not your favorite thing in the world to come to the city.
I do not like the city.
But it's very much appreciated, and we try not to give moves unless it's absolutely necessary, especially moves that require skills. In this case, we did buy a Vendera cooler, which we're gonna show in a video. If not, we'll be in this one. And overall recap of the day is we went ahead and delivered a cooler, which we're excited about, and we delivered 3 machines to a high-end building in Manhattan. Overall, what were your thoughts on the whole process?
All things considered, working in the city, it's unlike any place else in the world. You have so many things against you. Amazing place to hang out and chill, but if you're here to do a job, the city just eats you up alive. And all things considered, I think we had incredible success today.
We did.
We rocked in and out. You know, no issues with security. We did get a ticket, $115 ticket, but that goes right on the invoice to Mr. Hollis over here.
Pretty much. Unfortunately,
Yeah.
I did get a lunch.
So we had a fantastic lunch.
Right.
We finished way ahead of schedule. So overall, the day was a massive success. We got Francisco on the Vendera platform, so I'm really excited about that. And you know, it's time to pack it in and head home.
Right, that's it. Thanks for watching.